Okay, hi children. I am going to start going through page 133. So get ready. The same thing, your green color pen or green color pencil if you don't have any, use pencil, okay? And do your corrections. Let's begin. Okay, area of squares and rectangles, and we have learned that area means that the space within the shape. So let's go with the first question. Find the area of each square. So we're talking about square, and what is the property of square? Do you remember? That all the sides are equal, right? So if this is 7 cm, these would be 7 cm. And remember, what is the formula of area? Can I get all of you to write down here? Okay, so that you can remember by heart. So area is actually length times breadth, right? So for square, we don't have a difference between length and breadth. They have the same length. Therefore, you look here, length of side times length of side. So area of square is actually 7 times 7. And now you know your times table is very important. So what is 7 times table times 7? You should get 49 cm square. Okay, let's go to question B. Area of square, same thing. If one side is 9 meters, the other side will also be 9 meters, right? Because all sides are equal for square. So again, area is length times length for square. So 9 times 9. And remember the little finger trick that we did for 9 times table, and you should get 81 meters square as your answer. Okay, let's go on to question 2. Find the area of each rectangle. Now we are looking at rectangle. Again, this time rectangle we have length and breadth. Okay, which is the length? Length should be the longer one, right? So length times breadth, which is 6 cm. So over here, 7 times 6, and your answer is 42 cm square. Next, again, area of rectangle is length, the long part, length L. Okay, this is how you remember, time breadth, which is the shorter one. So 8 times 7. Okay, so what is 8 times 7? You should get 56 meters square. Remember, area, we need the 2 on top, square. Alright, let's go to the next page. So Janice measured the classroom and found out that its length is 8 meters and its breadth is 6 meters. What is the area of the classroom? So let's highlight the keywords. We know that the length is 8, the breadth is 6. How do we find the area? Remember the formula? A, we're going to write here, equals to L, length, times breadth. So now we're going to write the equation. Length is 8 times breadth is 6. Therefore, your answer should be 48 meters square. Make sure you write the correct unit, meter, and then a small little 2 on top, square. Okay, so let's draw a line for your statement. The area is, or the area of the classroom, okay, you write on your own, is 48 meters square. Alright, and then add a full stop. Next, let's go to question 4. The length of a side of a square piece of colored paper is 7 cm. Now remember, highlight this keyword, it is a square. And the length of the side is 7 cm. Okay, so what do we need to find out? What is the area of the piece of colored paper? So children, remember the properties of a square is that all the sides are the same. So if this is 7, this is 7. So how do I find the area? That means the inside. Okay, so same thing. Area equals to length, in this case times length, because square has the same length. So 7 times 7, you would have known from the previous question, right? Also same, 7 times 7. And the answer is 49. What is the unit? cm square. So same thing, I want you to draw a line and write your statement yourself. The area, so you just start from here. The area of the piece of colored paper is 49 cm square. Okay, write neatly. Let's go to question 5, the last question of your homework page. A rectangular signboard measures 28 cm by 9 cm. By means the side, the other side. Okay, this by this. That's how they say in measurement. Okay, so what is the area of the signboard? Same thing, let's highlight this. So it's 28 by 9. Okay, so we need to find the area. Same thing, area. So this is a rectangular, right? So equals to length times breadth. So what is the length? 28. And what is the breadth? 9. Now this one, we cannot use our fingers to count the times table because it's a 2-digit by 1 digit. Okay, so we're going to do our algorithm at the side. So 8 times 9 is 72. So we write 2 here and then we regroup 7 on top. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus, remember this is plus, plus 7 is 252. Therefore, the area for this rectangular signboard is 252 cm. Again, area, square. Every one of you must make sure you have the square here because we're talking about area. So, last but not least, draw a line. Write your statement. The area of the signboard is 252 cm square. Okay, so that is all for page 133 to page 134.